In this video, we are going to go over how to edit the footer of your WordPress website. First, you want to start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once inside your dashboard, you'll go over to the left side and go down to Appearance and Customize. Once on this new page, you go over to the left side again and go down to Footer Builder. On the left-hand side here, you have the elements that you already have in your footer. So you see I have copyright, a widget, which happens to be a button, and my social icons. You see there are 3 rows. We have an upper, primary, and a below footer. I'm currently using the below footer. If I wanted to activate one of the other ones, what I would do is I would just drag and drop one of the elements that I already have in, or I can click the plus sign and add an element that I want. Maybe I want a footer menu there. Okay, well now it looks completely different. So what I would do is I would click on the little cog next to it. I can go over to design, or maybe I only want it to be 2 columns. Let's do 2 columns. Go over to design. Background, right now it's red, so I'm going to clear that. I want it to clear, and I'm going to select the same image that I have. Oh, now that looks kind of weird, doesn't it? I don't really like the way that looks, so I'm just going to drag them back down here. I want that to have 4 columns, and we'll drag the button back down. If you want to delete any of the elements that you have on your footer, just go over here to the X. Now, if you want to edit any of the elements that you have on the footer, maybe you have another social icon you want to add to it, you just click on it, brings you over to here. You can click this drop down box, and I want a LinkedIn one. Click add, and maybe I don't have a Facebook, so I'm just going to hide that one. And I also don't want it to say Twitter, so I'm just going to get rid of show label. Now it's just the little social icons. You could spend hours messing around with your footer to try and learn how it all works, and I recommend that you do that. Play around with it, get a feel for how it changes when you interact with it, because you'll find that things don't always work the way that they're supposed to, and you're going to have to play around to get it to do exactly what you want. But this is the beginner's guide on how to edit your footer in WordPress. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.